What draws you to the wild, untouched beauty of the wilderness? That question lingered as I embarked on an unforgettable adventure in Helena National Forest, especially at the gates of the mountains wilderness. My good friend Gary wanted to share this breathtaking experience right in his state of Montana. He booked me a ticket on the boat tour and we headed out on a beautiful Montana summer day. I set out with my camera, determined to capture the beauty of this majestic landscape. The tall cliffs, carved by the Missouri River over thousands of years, stood like ancient guards holding secrets of the past. Their rugged beauty was amazing. It felt like stepping into a different world. The peace was incredible as I paddled my kayak through the calm waters. The thick forests along the shores seemed almost impossible to get through, yet they called me to explore further. My eyes were drawn to a specific cliff face due to its massive size. Additionally, the lush greenery cascading down its sides made it a perfect subject. I knew that capturing its beauty would tell the story of this incredible place. Setting up my tripod on the rocky shoreline, I felt a connection with the landscape. The play of light and shadow on the cliff face was mesmerizing. Each detail, from the tall pines to the rocky outcrops, showed nature's raw beauty and strength. As I clicked the shutter, I knew I was preserving a moment in time. This moment showcased the heart of the gates of the mountains wilderness. What made this experience even more special was the sense of solitude. In this remote part of Montana, it was just me, my camera, and the endless stretch of nature. Every sound, from rustling leaves to distant bird calls, enhanced the sense of peace and isolation. It reminded me why we must cherish and protect such wild places. The photo you see here is more than just an image. It's a testament to the timeless beauty of the gates of the mountains wilderness. It captures a fragment of the vast wilderness that defines Helena National Forest. Moreover, it highlights a place where nature reigns supreme and untouched landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see. In the end, what draws us to the wilderness? Maybe it's the promise of adventure or the attraction of unexplored places. Or it could be the simple joy of being surrounded by nature's beauty. For me, it's the thrill of capturing moments and sharing stories of places that leave a lasting impression. So next time you want to escape the hustle, remember the gates of the mountains, wilderness, and the adventures in Helena National Forest.